Okay, now I'm going to show you how to check for how much electricity is flowing through these light bulbs. Alright, so you can see that all these light bulbs are glowing and they seem to be glowing very brightly. How do you check how much electricity or voltage and current is flowing through them? Use these things over here. There is a voltmeter and an ammeter. Voltmeter measures voltage. Okay, so if I'm going to put voltmeter, you have to choose 2 points to put. So let's say I'm going to put it across the batteries. So I put it here, okay, across the battery. So the voltmeter must come in on the both sides of the batteries. So it shows 18 volts. All right. So now let's say I want to measure the voltage across the light bulbs. Then I put it here. Okay, also 18. Okay. So now let's move on to this side. I want to see the voltage of the batteries. So I put it here. So you can see it's 18 volts because it's again 2 batteries. Okay. And over here, also 18 volts across this light bulb. And 18 volts probably also across this light bulb. All right. So now let's try the ammeter. The ammeter shows you the current. So what is the current here? The current at this point is 1.8 ampere. Current at this point is 1.8 ampere. The current at this point is 1.8 ampere. So you can see the current is the same everywhere. Okay, that is for the first circuit. Let's look at the second circuit. Okay, in the second circuit, let's put our ammeter here. So you can see it's 3.6 ampere. What about here? 1.8 ampere. And over here also 1.8 ampere. So you can see there's some kind of difference, right? Here is 3.6. Here is 1.8. And here's 1.8. You're going to use this to find out what's the difference between series circuits and parallel circuits when it comes to voltage and current. All right, so now you can start to explore. Do remember, only use the first set of components. Remember to connect your links properly. Eventually, after you are done, you need to take screenshots. All right, so take a screenshot of this. How do you take a screenshot of this? You can either use a snipping tool over here. Okay, how do you search for this? If you're using a computer, you can search for snipping tool. Okay, and this will come up. Okay, and how does this look like? It looks like this. Okay, it looks like this. So then you click on new and you snip out your picture of the circuit. Okay, so that's one way to do it. Another way to do it is to press the print screen button on your keyboard and it will give you the same picture. Okay, and if you're using your phone, no problem, then you just take a screenshot like how you always do. And then remember to upload it on SLS at the relevant portions. Follow the instructions carefully. If you don't know what to do, give me a text.